Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Cadillac Escalade. Stock number is 17K143A. Starting right away up front, you can see the headlights here. You also have running lights and fog lights. Front parking sensors are going to keep you very safe in those close quarter parking lot situations. You have a camera up front as well to make it a little bit safer, and then of course you have the chrome grille. I'll look down the passenger side. 22-inch chrome wheels. Those are wrapped with Pirelli tires. Those are brand new tires. You can see great tread left there. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. There's no rips, no tears or stains on any of the seats here. They're all in fantastic condition all the way throughout. Up top you do have a sunroof. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side, then swing around to the back end. Rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. Taking a look inside of the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need additional storage room. You also have a power assist lift gate, so with simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, four-wheel drive controls, heads-up display controls. Taking a look at the stereo here, you have a full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation, dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Escalade on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.